There is a website run by the federal government where the government itself sells houses. Not a bank site, not Zillow. And for the first 15 days a house sits on that site, every investor in America is locked out of bidding on it. Not outbid, locked out by rule. On certain houses on that same site, one specific kind of buyer pays 50% of the list price, half off on a house. And in some cases, the down payment is $100. This is not a loophole, and it is not some guru's secret course. It is written federal housing policy sitting in plain sight, and almost nobody shopping for a home this year has ever heard of it. Here is why that should stop you cold. The median existing home in America just hit $440,600, the highest price ever recorded. The 30-year rate is sitting around 6.5%, and you have been told over and over that it does not matter what you can afford because some investor with a briefcase full of cash will beat you to anything worth buying. So you wait. The website is the HUD Home Store, hudhomestore.gov. It is where the Department of Housing and Urban Development sells the homes it takes back when FHA loans go bad. I spent 17 years inside mortgage lending, and I sat at closing tables where regular first-time buyers used this exact machine to buy houses investors wanted and could not touch. Stay with me because I am going to walk you through 4 advantages this system hands you in order, smallest to biggest, and the biggest one is a legal 50% discount. Then at the end, I will give you the exact steps to run this yourself, starting tonight. But let me back up, because to see why this matters, you have to see what everybody else believes. Ask anyone trying to buy their first home right now, and they will tell you the same story. The market is an auction. The highest offer wins. And the highest offer is always the investor, the hedge fund, the flipper, the guy with cash who waives inspection and closes in 10 days. You, with your 3.5% down FHA loan, are bringing a butter knife to a gunfight. That story is true on the open market a lot of the time. That is exactly why what I am about to show you exists. Because here is the villain in this story. And it is not a person, it is a machine. Picture how an investor buys a foreclosure. There is an acquisitions guy at a desk with a spreadsheet, a line of credit, and an alert set for every new listing in your zip code. The house hits the market at 9 in the morning. His offer is in by 9:15. Cash, no conditions, close whenever. He is not going to live there. He is going to rent it back to somebody like you. And the conventional wisdom says the seller has to take that offer, because the seller's only job is to get the highest net number. That is the rule the entire housing market runs on. Highest net wins. Every time, no exceptions. And this is where it turns. Because HUD looked at that rule, the rule the whole market lives by, and said, we are not doing that. When HUD takes a house back from a failed FHA loan, its stated goal is not to squeeze the top dollar out of the sale. Its goal is to get that house into the hands of somebody who will actually live in it. Think of it like a concert pre-sale. The general public, the scalpers, the bots, they are all held outside while the actual fans get first crack at the seats. HUD runs housing's version of that pre-sale, and you, the owner-occupant, are the fan. So here is the first thing this system hands you, the exclusive window. When a HUD home that qualifies for normal FHA financing gets listed on hudhomestore.gov, the first 15 days of bidding are reserved for owner-occupants only, people who will live in the house, plus nonprofits and government agencies. Investors are not allowed to submit a bid, not $1. Here is why that matters to you. For 15 straight days, the guy with the spreadsheet and the wire transfer does not exist. You are bidding against other families, not funds. And if the house needs too much work to qualify for regular FHA financing, the window is shorter, 5 days, but it is still yours first. The second thing is about your cash, and if the first one surprised you, this is the one to hit like on. because almost nobody knows it. When you write your bid on a HUD home, you can ask HUD to pay up to 3% of the price toward your closing costs, and HUD pays your agent's commission out of the deal on top of that. Here is why that matters. On a $250,000 house, that is up to $7,500 of closing costs you do not bring to the table. Your cash to close just shrank by a used car. The third thing sounds fake, and it is not. In a number of states, if you buy a HUD home with FHA financing and you offer the full list price, the down payment drops to $100. Not 3.5%, which would be $8,750 on that same house, $100. Why does that matter? Because the thing that keeps most first-time buyers renting is not the monthly payment. It is the pile of cash needed up front, and this program deletes the pile. And the fourth thing solves the obvious objection. You are thinking, Tim, these are foreclosures, they are beat up. Some are. And HUD's answer is a renovation loan, the FHA 203K, which lets you buy the house and roll the repair budget into the same mortgage. One loan, one payment. The repair cap on the streamlined version is now $75,000. I have a full video breaking down renovation loans, the 203K, against the conventional versions linked below, so I will not reteach it here. The point for today is just this. The beat-up house that scares off other families is a feature, not a bug, because it is the house that sits long enough for your bid to win. Now here is the part everyone skips, and it is honestly the whole video. Everything so far applies to any owner-occupant, but there is one program inside the HUD Home Store that is so generous, people assume it is a scam the first time they hear it. It is called Good Neighbor Next Door. If you are a full-time teacher, pre-kindergarten through 12th grade, a law enforcement officer, a firefighter, or an EMT, HUD will sell you a home in a designated revitalization area for 50% off the list price. Let me make that concrete, because a percentage is not a number. A house listed at $250,000 costs you $125,000. The discount is structured as a silent second mortgage, no payments, no interest, and after you live in the home for 36 months, it is forgiven. Gone. 3 years of living in a house you were going to live in anyway, and HUD tears up a $125,000 IOU. Stack it with the FHA option, and your down payment can be $100. These listings go up for 7 days at a time, and if more than one qualified buyer bids, the winner is picked by lottery. Not by who has the most cash, by lottery. If you know a teacher, a cop, a firefighter, or an EMT who is renting right now, this is the moment to hit subscribe and send them this video. Because the odds that their lender ever mentions this program are close to zero. And I will tell you exactly why in a minute. Now run your own numbers, because this is where it stops being trivia and starts being your rent check. At 6.5%, the principal and interest on that full $250,000 house runs about $1,580 a month. On the good neighbor price of $125,000, about $790. That is not a discount, that is a different life. That is the difference between a payment that eats your budget and a payment under most one-bedroom rents in America. And even without the 50% program, just winning a HUD home in the exclusive window at a fair price with HUD covering 3% of your closing costs can be the difference between buying this year and renting for another 5. Now I have to be honest with you, because it would be dishonest to pretend this is a fire hose of free houses. It is not. These are foreclosures, sold as is. Some need real work, and you need eyes on them, a real inspection, even when the loan does not require one. The inventory is thin right now. Foreclosure volume is running near historic lows. So in a hot metro, you might see a handful of listings a month, not hundreds. Good Neighbor Next Door is only 4 professions, only in designated revitalization areas, and you are committing to live there for 3 full years. Leave early and you owe the discount back. And a lottery means you can do everything right and still lose. All of that is true, but notice what none of it changes. The window still locks investors out. The discount is still 50%. And the person this system was built for is still you, not them. Now put the three pieces together, because this is the picture almost nobody assembles. A bidding window that bars investors. A 50% discount aimed at teachers and first responders. A renovation loan designed for the exact houses investors flip. That is not three coincidences. That is one policy. HUD deciding on purpose that a stable owner-occupant is worth more to a neighborhood than a bigger check from a flipper. Which raises the question you should be asking. If this is real, why has nobody told you? Follow the incentive. Your lender makes less on a smaller loan. A $125,000 mortgage is half the commission of a $250,000. Your agent has to register with HUD just to submit a bid. Extra paperwork for a smaller check. Nobody in the chain gets paid more when you pay less, so nobody brings it up. And if you want proof this is deliberate policy and not an accident, look at the paper trail. The owner-occupant window is written into HUD's own rules, and HUD actively retunes it. They adjusted the window's length just last year. It survives administrations. Go one level up. HUD sells entire pools of homes to cities and nonprofits at 50% off through something called the Asset Control Area Program, and even runs a dollar homes program, $1, for homes that will not sell in 6 months. And we have run this play at national scale before. After 2008, Congress handed HUD about $7 billion for the Neighborhood Stabilization Program to route foreclosed homes to owner-occupants instead of speculators. Last time foreclosures flooded, this machine is what the government built. The machine never got dismantled. It is sitting there right now, waiting for you to use it. So here's what sticks with me. Everybody you know is fighting for houses on the open market, the option where cash always wins. And the whole time there is a side door with a sign on it that says, owner-occupants first. And the doorman is the federal government. So here's the move. 5 steps. 1. Go to hudhomestore.gov tonight. Set your state and save the search. Inventory changes constantly. Checking it weekly costs you nothing. 2. Find an agent who is actually registered with HUD. They need what is called an NAID number to bid. And ask them one question. Have you ever written a HUD bid? If the answer is no, keep looking. 3. When you bid inside the exclusive window as an owner-occupant and have your agent request the 3% closing cost contribution right in the bid. 4. If the house needs work, pair it with the 203K renovation loan. One loan for the house and the repairs. My full breakdown video is linked below. 5. If you or anyone in your house is a teacher, law enforcement, a firefighter, or an EMT, check the Good Neighbor Next Door listings every single week, 7-day windows, and enter every lottery you qualify for. It costs nothing to lose and half a house to win. If this cracked open how you see the housing market, hit like. It genuinely pushes this to more people who have been told the game is rigged. Subscribe if you want the math nobody shows you. That is this whole channel. 17 years inside mortgage lending. No fear, just the move. I built a free tool at timtalksrealestate.com/home options that walks you through which buying path actually fits your situation. No pitch, no email wall. It is linked below. And do this for me. Drop one word in the comments, your state, because I am mapping where the HUD inventory actually is for a follow-up. If you made it this far, you are exactly who this channel is built for.